My name is Michael Buccineri. We're at Jim and Pete's Restaurant, Elmwood Park, Illinois. We're just outside of Chicago a bit, and the restaurant was established in 1941. So we've been around over 77 years. Italian restaurant, second pizzeria in Chicago. We wouldn't be able to host the parties that we have without the heaters. It just, you know, the Chicago's weather is just too unpredictable. We do a lot of private parties, whether it's birthdays, bridal showers, you know, reunions. We can't book a party out and not be guaranteed that it's not going to rain, it's not going to be cold or hot. With the heaters, Chicago weather, if you know, even at night, it could drop from the day to the evening, you know, 20 degrees. All we do is touch the heaters. We have the setting. There's 4 heaters there, different zones, and you could adjust them, and it really works out pretty nice. We have big ceiling fans that kind of circulate the heat, and the room holds pretty good. We've had parties out there, 20-degree weather, and parties love it, love it.
So if it's a little chillier outside, you know, you're still able to enjoy the outdoor experience with the heaters on. It never gets too hot, and you know, with the heaters, it never gets too cold. You're always very comfortable.
We've had a party in December with 3 inches of snow on the boxwoods, and everyone thought they were out on a patio. Fantastic.
You can be outdoors in the most perfect climate. It's like having a perfect cloud over your head. I love it. You don't get a chill, it's just always perfect thermostat out here.
If I'm in a specific area and if it's a little chilly, they can adjust it just for me, not necessarily like the whole dining area. Or if I'm a little cold, then they can put a little more heat, so that's really nice.
Everyone did an excellent job, and you know, looking forward to the future with this, see where we go with this.